And hosts Jamaica and Barbados were convincing winners as the 2024 Cazova Under-19 Boys and Girls Volleyball Championships served off on Saturday at GC Foster College in St. Catherine. Jamaica's Under-19 boys were made to work but still prevailed 3-0 over debutants Aruba in their opening contest of the Cazova Championships at GC Foster College on Saturday. The Jamaicans could not shake the Arubans with the first set ending 25-21 in favor of the hosts. The second set was even closer at 25-22, with the Jamaicans moving to within one of victory. The contest was concluded when the Jamaicans closed out the game with a 25-20 third set win. Head coach of Jamaica, Adrian Ramdeen, while happy with the win, wanted more from his players.
I seriously don't know if it's nerves or it's jitters, but I think that we should have closed out that game a long time ago. Because the team was a lot weaker than ours. We were running more systems. We have a lot more plays than them. We are executing better. But I think in parts, especially when we reach the 20, we're lapsing. We start to shut down. And we are always giving that team the momentum coming towards us. And going forward, that's something that we have to fix if we're going to take on the stronger teams.
I think what went wrong was the motivation to get to the point we needed. We didn't communicate well enough, but I think we still did our best, the best that we did in training. I am very proud of my island. I'm very proud of how we performed. I have no complaints. Only complaint I have is that we lost, but that's okay, you know, some things happen.
Captain of Jamaica's team, Tashira Jones, shared similar views as his coach, but is confident his players will get it right.
I expect to reach the finals and hopefully we can secure the win. I think we have a talented set of boys with us as a team, and I think if we all play well, play smart, we can win the tournament.
In the opening game of the Girls' Championship, Barbados had a 3-1 win over Trinidad and Tobago. The Bajans won the first two sets 25-17, 25-21, before TNT extended the game by taking the third set 25-16. The Bajans would, however, bounce back to take the fourth set 25-13.
Very satisfied. For our first run ever, I believe we did very well. Although the initial plan was to go 3 straight, I'm so happy we won with the 3-1 ratio, and I'm very proud of my girls.
Jamaica's men's team will be back in action on Monday when they take on the U.S. Virgin Islands at 7 p.m.